Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Taylah and I run a small handmade business selling hair accessories, and I've been doing that for 8 years. And then I also have a YouTube channel where I post about my day-to-day life as a small business making handmade hair accessories. And I thought I'd do a video on my first year of being monetized as a YouTuber, because I know a lot of people are very interested in this side of things, maybe thinking they want to start their own, or just interested in general because they don't really know much about it. Some things that you should know. This is just like my experience with YouTube. It will be different for every single other person. Even if I and someone else had the exact same amount of subscribers and exact same amount of watch time, they would still have a different revenue than me. I think I have such a good revenue because I talk about small business, so I get business ads on my YouTube. That's a possibility. And in saying that, I don't know everything there is to know about payments and YouTube and how, you know, things work. I will be talking about how much money I actually made in the first year of being monetized on YouTube, and I'll be going through like my analytics and stuff, just for anyone interested. I won't be talking about the money that I made from my actual business. And if anyone's wondering, how do you make money off YouTube? Because I do get a lot of people going, oh, you make money from YouTube, what? they don't know. When you see an ad in a video, that's ad revenue. We get ad revenue from that. I think it's 40 or 50% will be given to us, and the other 40 or 50% will be given to YouTube. And the person that pays it is whoever made the ad. They pay whatever price to have their ad shown on videos. Depending on what your channel does and what your channel sort of, what category it kind of fits into, will determine your ads. Because the business ads are actually worth more than ads about toys or food, if that makes sense. So that's sort of how that works. As I said, I'm no expert on this sort of stuff. I just wanted to share with you guys how much potential YouTube has. For a lot of you guys do exactly what I do. You are a small business owner and you might find that you want to do this sort of stuff. Everyone's different though, like all different results and stuff. I've been very lucky with my YouTube progress. So I can't say that this is exactly what will happen if you start a YouTube channel. Of course, it's a possibility, you know. So in saying that, I do have a video that is available already on my YouTube channel, which just goes through how I got my first 1,000 subscribers, and it has a lot of helpful tips in there if you are interested in starting your own YouTube channel. I definitely recommend it if you do feel like that you want to start one, you have your own business, craft business, you want to share what you do, because I actually really enjoy it. That's like another thing. It's not just about the money, because obviously there is a chance that you won't make anything at all and you might have a lot of difficulty starting up. If you like really enjoy it, I feel that it will just be fun to do anyway, and you can possibly see a reward come out of it at the end. Craft community is so supportive. I feel there's a lot of content that you can make for the craft community, whether that be tutorials or if you want to do vlogs on your daily life as being a small business creator. I feel like there is a lot of growth potential. There isn't a whole deal of people, like a whole lot of people doing this. Like there's obviously a lot of people, but I mean there's still a lot more room for people to come in and do their own thing. No one that's like you on YouTube. Anyway, let's just get into analytics. So at the moment my channel hasn't, like, it's kind of like gone down a lot in views. I don't know if that's just because of Christmas and stuff. So I was monetized around December the 16th or very close to that. For YouTube, I met the requirements of having 1,000 subscribers and having 4,000 watch hours. So I was able to apply for monetization, and I got monetized within, I think, 24 hours. I think it was the next day that they approved it. And from then on, I was making money from my YouTube videos. It also helped that I had a viral video, a video that went viral at the end of December, start of January. It was really like the January New Year's period, and you'll see this from the graph. So I had quite a lot of views, and it was mostly due to that video being published. Also at this point I was sitting at about 2,500 subscribers, like around the start of January. Then once that video went viral, it had two different peaks. One was in January, at the start of January, the next was in the start of February. And then I got my first paycheck. So I did get a very small paycheck from December, but that was only for like 10 days. Okay, so my first technical first paycheck was $173, and that was for about 10 or 15 days worth. But my actual first paycheck, which was in January for the full month, that was $1,313.40. That's a massive amount of money just from being on YouTube for, like, being monetized for a month. It did, yeah, obviously it did help that my channel sort of took off then as well. So I was really lucky to have a viral video. I will also include the CPM stuff for anyone interested. I'm not, as I said, I'm not like really into all the analytics and stuff, so I don't really want to explain everything because I don't even know what I'm talking about. But a CPM, what it says here, is effective cost per mile, or the estimated average gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks on which an ad was shown. So for January, for example, I had $10.58, and that was for every, so then at every 1,000 views, that's how much I got, if that makes sense. And for January, I had almost 220,000 views on my videos. So there was a lot of views. But if we look at even further down, let's just say December, for example, my CPM was $28.29. So that's so much more money per 1,000 views. And I actually had a lot less views. So I had 150,000 rather than 220,000. And I got a lot more money from it. Alright, so, okay, so as you can see, pretty much every month from the January one, I was making over $1,000. There was only one month in March, and that was because I got quite a lot less views. I'm not really sure why. So it's pretty crazy to sort of see that. So when you add all of those up together for, I think I did lifetime, so it's not exactly the year because I added the extra 10 days or so. But it's $26,799.18 for 1 year worth of YouTube. And that's, I only posted one video a week pretty much. And I did add a few bonus videos throughout the time. But that is crazy amount of money to be making. Is in AUD as well. So I don't know how much money that would be in USD or anything like that. And I've also gotten 3 million views on my channel so far. So that's really cool as well. I've had 365,000 watch hours, and I'm currently sitting just below 36,000 subscribers. So yeah, that's my money for YouTube. That's just, it is just so crazy to think, like, I should have done this years ago, really. Like, I finally did the, I finally pushed forward and I thought, no, I'm gonna finally do my first video, which was how to make labels for scrunchies or whatever craft item you're making. And then I decided, you know what, I'll keep making content for you guys for business advice. I haven't done a lot more business advice. I really need to. I just get so caught up with all the vlogs because they seem to perform really well on my channel. And of course, this video isn't to gloat or anything. It's just to show you the potential that YouTube has. I'm definitely not I'm not trying to go, oh, this is how much money I made. I just want to show you guys that, like, if you're thinking, oh, you know, maybe I don't want to start a YouTube channel, like, there is so much potential to actually make quite decent money off it. Like, obviously it's not guaranteed, but there is potential there, and I think it's definitely worth looking at if you are maybe thinking about doing it. And it's just crazy to me, and it can't be achieved without you guys. So thank you so much for all your support during the last year and the lovely comments you leave me. Anyway, I hope this might give you some insight into the monetary side of YouTube. Also, it might give you a push or motivation to possibly start your own YouTube channel and see how you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.